Never you give up. OneKnockTV up. Ah. In it to win it. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. Oh yeah, yeah. OneKnockTV in it to win it. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. Oh yeah, yeah. Boom. Don't know this is Jah Certain representing OneKnockTV. At TV, #1 spot TV.
Jah Certain, welcome.
Yeah, give thanks, you know.
So tell us, who is Jah Certain?
Yeah, Jah Certain, born Gary Germain from, past student at the Charlemont High School. Just a humble youth, you know, from Lindsay St. Catching. I love of music, a vibrant youth, you know, just a people person.
So how long have you been doing music?
Well, I've been doing music from 2004, officially. Yeah.
So, knowing that you have been doing music from 2004, what has really drawn you into continuing your career upwards until now?
Well, I must say it's basically the love, you know. The love that I've gained for the music over the years is what has kept me going, and I must say a big thank you to the fans, you know, because without the fans, the motivation would be lacking. So I must say big up to the fans, you know.
So, you have been in music for a long time. Tell us some of the challenges you as an artist have faced.
Well, the challenge is basically just getting the songs to be played, you know, I say the publicity, you know, for people to get acquainted with the brand, Jah Certain. So that are a few of the challenges that I face.
So what are you doing to overcome those challenges?
Well, you know, basically just put out music, you know, I say try to find the right set of people to be acquainted with, and basically just keep doing what I love. That's music, you know.
So that name, Jah Certain, how did you come by it?
Well, the name Jah Certain came about one night, you know, I was just at my gate, just vibing musically, and it came to my mind, and within the whole process, you know, I just worked with the name, embracing the name.
So I noticed you have a promotional CD going on right now. It has 7 tracks. Tell us about that CD.
Well, that CD, you know, is a promo CD, you know, showcasing the type of work that Jah Certain does. Yeah, so it's just for promotional use. So just in case the radio stations and, you know, people and the whole want to get in touch with that CD, they can contact Jah Certain at 414-4947.
Number 7 track, For Too Long. Tell us a little bit about that.
For Too Long was produced by Peter Gracie out of Miami, 352 Records. That song is now on iTunes from the 5th of August 2016. That song was inspired, you know, by just thinking about, you know, life, you know, overcoming obstacles and just paving the way through life.
All of the songs on this have a little inspirational tone. Most notably is the In It to Win It. Tell us about that by Jonathan Baxter.
In It to Win It is basically seeing yourself as a winner. You know, I say embracing you for who you are, overcoming the obstacles, just believing in what you do. You know, I say, and just basically just do what's required of you to make life, you know, the happiest moment it can be.
The number 1 track, Woman No Worthy of My Love.
Wow, well, Woman No Worthy of My Love, you know. I wrote that song while I was in high school. I think it was my last year in 6th form, or the first year in 6th form. That song was inspired, you know, just a little incident, you know, man and woman situation. Yeah, you know, in high school, you know, I had a little
love affair.
Yeah, a little love affair, put it away, and within the whole love affair, it wasn't the love that I expected, you know what I say? So, within the process, I know, I was there thinking to myself, so, I said, yo, she never heard my love, and funny enough, I came up with a song.
I see where it's produced by Jah Certain.
Yeah, which is the girlfriend, which is
Yeah, so I didn't know you were into the production side of the music business.
well, where that is concerned, I've always, I've always embraced life journey, because, where life is concerned, I've always tried to fit in different categories in life, because, I've always been doing a 9 to 5, where a lot of people don't know that, but I do a 9 to 5, and I do producing as well, and I write my own stuff, so I've always tried to be well-rounded, put it that way.
The songs that you do are mostly reggae, but are there any fusion?
Well, where the whole music is concerned, I'm not limited by music, 'cause music is wide. Music is a big thing. But where reggae music is concerned, reggae music is what I fell in love with first hand. So, but I'm not limiting myself. If you come to the test where I have to do a crossover, I will. Once the message is still intact in what I believe in and what I embrace. Yeah.
So knowing how competitive the Jamaican music industry is,
Yeah.
how are you separating yourself from the rest of artists?
Well, I would say my music speaks widely internationally. So my message is what's gonna take the places, the type of music that I embrace. So I'm not really worried about the Jamaican market or not saying I'm not embracing my music right here, but I'm just trying to reach to a wider people because we're all in this journey together. So I'm definitely on that path.
Tell us some of the shows that you have worked on as an artist.
I've worked Reggae Campfire, Ari Jamboree. I just did Fun Fest like a couple weeks ago, just to name a few.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about the Fun Fest experience.
The Fun Fest experience was great. It was well received by the audience, and I must say hats off to the people that first time seeing Jah Certain on that stage and to really embrace the type of work that I do. Yeah.
So do you have any shows planned in the near future?
Well, where the shows are concerned, there's no bookings currently. Yeah, there's no bookings currently, but I'm always putting in the work, so anything can just pop up.
Knowing that you're constantly doing promotion and so forth, can fans expect an EP or album from you anytime soon?
Well, the EP or album is definitely in the process. That's in the process, but I can't give a deadline, pertaining to when an EP or album will be dropped or will be released in that sense, because reason being, I'm the one that's monitoring my entire music career. So, everything takes time. So I'm just basically going with growth and going with time. Yeah.
Tell us some of those artists that you look up to in the reggae business.
Well, just to name a few, Assassin, Agent Saska, that is, Mojo Bantan, Sister Kolanji, Deep Jah, Romeo and Virgo, Ayano Ayanti, which is my musical brother, is also a great artist also. And just to name a few, as I said.
So are there any specific artists that you would like to work with, both local and international?
Well, locally, Sizzla, Deep Jah, as I said, is a nice, good artist, same way. Agent Sasko, yeah man, big artist, I rate him and thing, and Celine Dion internationally. Yeah, I love Celine Dion from a long while, so definitely Celine Dion.
In the business, I know that you have a few fans here and there. So how are fans receiving them?
The fans, I must say a big thank you to the fans, because without the fans, trust me, maybe I would give up a long time ago, because the fans are the one that keeps me motivated, keeps on sending messages, either on the social medias or in the street. I say, Jah Certain, keep doing what you're doing, you have the talent, we love the work that you're putting in. So definitely I must say a big thank you to the fans.
Where do you see yourself a year from now?
Well, optimistic wise, definitely tours, going places. Yeah, going places, you know, people. The brand, Jah Certain, going places. Yeah, just touring, you know, representing the brand, representing life and a whole, and just doing things big.
Are there any specific location that you have an eye for overseas?
It's unlimited. You know, anywhere the music takes me. Yeah, anywhere the music takes me.
So for fans who want to stay in the loop, where on social media can they find you?
Well, Jah Certain is on all social media sites. You don't know, you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. It's spelled JAHCERTAI. Jah Certain. Yeah, man, give thanks. OneKnockTV, at TV, #1 spot.